Hey guys, Sanlaki here and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Vision Pro and we're going to put it side by side with different VR headsets like the Meta Quest 3 and Bigscreen Beyond. So if you're an existing VR user and want to get a sense of the size and weight of the Apple Vision Pro without spending $4,000, then this video is for you. Okay, I guess this is the dual loop band. So this is gonna be my first time wearing this, so let's see how it feels. Ooh, ooh. Actually, I'll show you this one first. Vision Pro, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. That's what it says here in little text. Okay, let's try that again. So this is gonna be my first time wearing it. So right now it's started off and there's not much light leakage. So it's pretty good. As far as weight goes, my first impression right off the bat, it feels a little bit front heavy, but it's not as bad as what other people say online. It's comparable to Quest 2 with like the default stock. I think having this dual loop band will help alleviate some of the pressure I feel on my cheek right here. Hopefully someone will create like a head strap that's similar to the Quest Pro style, because I really like that kind of design style, because it put the pressure on your forehead instead of your cheeks or around your face. So yeah, that's the unboxing. Now let's put it side by side with different headsets. Before we continue, a quick word from our sponsor, which is actually my own company, Sanlaki. I design low-cost and easy-to-use VR products that will enhance your VR experience, like this Sanlaki gun stock that has hundreds of 5-star reviews, as well as this paddle adapter for 11 table tennis, and this golf club adapter for Walkabout Mini Golf and Golf Plus. Visit Sanlaki.shop and use code LarryPlaysVR to get exclusive discount. Now, back to the video. Now I'm gonna wear individual headsets. If you want to see how the Apple Vision Pro compares with the Meta Quest Pro in terms of productivity, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Once I have the video ready, I'll make sure to put it on the end screen. In the meantime, feel free to watch the next video. Thanks for watching.